Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today in this video I'm just to show you how to edit videos for free completely on your mobile phone, on your Android phone, or just on your iPhone. So this app is called the Inshot, one of the best free video editing apps for your mobile phone. So you could just download this app from the Google Play or from the iOS store, and after that just run this video editing app on your mobile phone. So after running it on your mobile phone, you could find this is interface, which is very simple to use. To create a video project, just tap on the video and they could create a new video project. Here I just selected some very simple video clip from my mobile phone and import them to the timeline. So you could find there's so many editing options in the timeline, such as you could add the music and the stickers, so many colorful and stickers, and a text, as well as the filter. The filter feature is very powerful with so many different options, and most importantly they are just completely free to use. If you hope to cut the videos, you could tap on the split, as well as delete some unwanted video clips, as well as the background. For example, you could just add any background or just remove the background in the sector. You could also speed up or just slow down your video clip and crop the video, so to an extent you find it perfectly suits your demand, as well as turn up or turn down the volume, as well as rotate, duplicate, or flip and freeze the video. So here I will just show you step-by-step demo about how to edit your video with this free video editor app called the Inshot. So first of all, let's just play this video. As you could see, there is background noise. In order to remove the background noise or just turn down the voice, could select this video and then tap on the music and tap on the video here, and you can see you could just extract the audio. So to remove the background noise, just select the audio, check again. Here you could just drag it down so that the background disappears completely. You could as well do it similarly to remove the background noise. So right now you could say the background is just removed. So instead you could add the music file to the video. To add the music, which is very simple, you could tap on the tracks. There are lots of the free music to be imported. You could also just select music from your mobile phone. You could download some free music from the YouTube word library in the sector, as well as add some music effects, such as this one. For example, you could just take a look at and see how it sounds like. So it's very simple. You could also just delete it by tap on the delete button. So here I just want to add music. Tap on the music and then choose one of the music from this interface, and then you could take a look at it. You may find the music doesn't start from the very beginning immediately, so you needed to cut the music audio tracks. It's simple to cut the video or the audio track. Just for example, if you hope to cut the beginning part of this audio track, music track, just to select it. You could just first of all play it a little bit, and there just to choose it, tap on the music. Here you could just select the music audio track, and you could continue to tap on the split to delete this beginning part. So it's really very simple to use. Here just long press the music audio track to to the beginning part, so that all of these tracks are aligned together. Here you could just listen to once again. So it's very simple to use. To end a test, it's also very easy. Just to tap on the test. For example, I just type on the Hello Sunday, and you could change any color for the there are so many color options for the test, as well as change the fonts, and also do some other editing options for the test, as well as you could add some effects for the test. If you have, for example, this one or something else, it's quite cute, very very powerful feature. So here I just tap on it. If you hope the test box could continue for a longer period of time, just long press it and drag it anywhere you think it is proper. So if, for example, I just drag it here and could play it once again. So it's really very cool. Just to save it. Your addition, the stickers are also very powerful for this free video app. You could add so many free stickers. For example, the 48 free stickers are available to be downloaded for free completely. You could also add the GIF or intersector. So it's really very cool. And after that, you could also make a change, or for example, do some color corrections for the video by tap on the filter. For example, this is the bright one, or the story or natural intersector, as well as adding the effect and some effect for the video, so that it looks much cooler in the sector. So, and as well as doing some adjustment for the video. For example, you could do any kind of the if you just want to undo, tap on this to undo the video editing. So here once again, I just you could do some adjustment for the video. For example, change the contrast and the warm, make it looks much warmer, and or change the tint or saturation, as well as the fades, the highlight, shadow, and color. Choose any kind of the color, as well as hue. So this video editing app, it's really very cool. Although it's free to use, there are so many different editing options to be used, from the effect, test effects, music effects, as well as some video adjustment choices. So here, if you hope to end the transitions for the video, could just select the video and then choose this button. Could end any transitions for the video also. But for other transition options, they are only available for the Pro version. The Pro version will cost $2.99 permanently. So if you could consider whether it's worthwhile, but I think the basic transition is enough to edit the videos. Apart from that, you could also just for example, to cut the videos. For example, if you want to cut the beginning part of the video, just choose the video and then tap on the split, and there just choose the wanted. Could choose it again, tap it for 2 times, sorry, a little bit, just choose it and then tap on the delete button. You can also long press the video and change the drag to swap intersector. So it's, in generally speaking, very simple to use. So this is some basic features I just introduced about how to edit videos for free completely with the Inshot. So when everything is done perfectly, just export or save the video for free completely without leaving any watermark. To save the video, just tap on the save and just save it. You can choose the first option and then begin to export it. And there is some
Download integrated finder in the App Store.
Close the ads. This is perhaps a little bit frustrating when you find some advertisement in this software, but it's in general speaking okay, because this app is anyway free to use.